Hey, so if you're building funnels, websites, and webinars inside of Highlevel, then organizing your content the right way is key, not just for user experience, but also for SEO and navigation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use nested URL paths to keep your site structure clean, clear, and search engine friendly. Firstly, what is a nested URL path? It's simply a URL with multiple levels, using slashes to represent the structure of your site. I'll walk through an example with you in just a moment, but it can be something like /resources, then /courses, /sales funnel. So it's almost like a folder, but for your pages on your site. These types of URLs don't just look clean, they also tell both visitors and search engines how your content is organized. And just to clarify, even if it looks like one path is under another one, like /about, then /team, is treated like its own individual page in the backend. Okay, so let's say you're hosting a summer webinar. Instead of using a flat link like Summer Webinar 2025, you can nest it under a category like /webinar, /2025, /summer promo. It looks more professional, builds trust, and helps with SEO. All right, let me jump in Highlevel and show you how it works. Inside your Highlevel sub account, I'm going to come up to websites, and then for this example, just choose this one over here. Now you'll see that my website has multiple different pages, but let's say I had a button inside my contact us page that once clicked took me to a calendar page, which will be this one over here. What I could do to create a nested URL is to click on these three dots over here, come up to settings, and then you'll see the path over here is where we can change the URL. So you can see currently it is /contact us 6704. If I want to change that to something like contact today, I can do so by just clicking on update. Now what I can do to nest this page inside of the other page is just to do the same thing but in the calendar page. So click on the three dots, come to settings, and then I want to change the path to the same one as the other one, and then add another /, which is like saying another level, and then naming it what I want. So now it is contact today /calendar. Now when I click on update, I've now nested that URL into the other page. So how this will look is at the top of a page, you have your URL. For this contact us page, it might be mywebsite.com /contact today. And then inside of that page, I might have a button that takes you to a calendar page. Once you click on that button, it will now say mywebsite.com /contact today /calendar. Please note that you can only go 5 levels deep, and there are some specific words that are reserved for the Highlevel system. You can see some examples on the screen now, but you can find these at the Highlevel help docs. Great, so nested URLs give you greater control over how your content is structured, again, for both people and for search engines. Whether you're building a multi-step funnel, an e-com catalog, or a webinar series, this feature helps you stay organized. So next time you're structuring your pages, try nesting your paths to make things cleaner and smarter. As always, thanks for watching.